Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to run AI models locally on your computer. So without needing the internet. So the AI models will completely run natively on your computer and you don't need any internet. So the way to do that, let's get directly into our tutorial. So first you need to install Ollama. You can type Ollama download, and if you are have Windows, you can download for Windows, or if you have Linux, you can download for Linux, and same for macOS. So I have Windows, so I will download for Windows. So I've already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it. Then you need to go to PowerShell, and to verify if it is downloaded, you can type Llama version. As you can see, I've already downloaded it, and it shows me the version. It is Llama version 0.32.1. Okay. So to get the AI models for Llama to run locally, you can go to Ollama library, and here are all the AI models that can run natively on your computer without the internet or offline. So we have from Llama 3.1, DeepSeek R1, or Google Gemma 3, Quen 2.5, Quen 3, Mistral, Gemma 2, Llama 3, Gemma 4, and we have all these models. So there are hundreds of models, and you can run all of them completely locally on your computer without needing the internet. So one thing I want to make it clear is that if you have built-in graphics, so you can run powerful models like 70 billion or 1.5 billion parameter models. So if you have a built-in GPU, you need to install smaller models which have smaller parameters. So 8 billion, 7 billion, 4 billion. So 8 billion or below. So if you have powerful GPUs like RTX 3060 or 4090, 4070, you can install up to, for example, 30 billion parameter models, 40 billion parameter models. But if you have built-in GPUs, you can only run up to 8 billion parameter models. Otherwise, it will run very, very slow. So I recommend if you have built-in GPUs, I recommend 8 billion or below parameter models. So the way to install them, you can come here and you can type any model. For example, I want to install Llama 3.1 8 billion parameter model on my computer. You can type Llama run Llama 3.1 8B. So it will start installing, and you have to wait. For example, its size is 4.9 GB. So once this is complete, so the AI will run completely natively on your computer without the internet. So I cancelled it because I have already installed uh, oh, Llama model. So I will show it to you. Llama test. So as you can see, I've already installed Llama 3.13b 3 billion parameter model on your computer. To show it to you, so to run the model, you can type Llama Llama run Llama 3.1 sorry 3.2 3b. So you have to wait. As you can see, the model is now running completely locally on my computer. So I can give it a command, write simple HTML code. So as you can see, it started writing a simple HTML code. So I will show it, so prove it to you. I'll turn off the Wi-Fi and I will start again from beginning. Llama run Llama 3.23b. So remember, whenever you run a model or install it or run it, you need to first name the model and then type the parameters. So it is 3 billion parameter model, so you need to type 3b. So first the model, then colon, and then 3b. So as you can see, my Wi-Fi is turned off and the AI model is working. So I will type again, HTML code. So as you can see, it is working offline completely. So if you want to access it in graphical user interface, there is also an app for this. You can install it. It's called Open Web UI. Sorry, I will turn on the Wi-Fi again. Completely forgot about it. You can type again Open Web. We can type Open Web UI. So you can then install it. So once you install Open Web UI app, then you can run those AI models with graphical user interface. And this app also does not require any internet to run, so it is also completely offline. So the third method to run the AI model with the graphical user interface, so we have also a Chrome extension which you can use. So it is called Page Assist. There is it. I have already installed it. So with Page Assist, you can also run the AI model with graphical user interface, and you don't need any internet for this also. So I will show it to you. So you can click on extensions. So here is it. So as you can see, once so it will automatically show you the AI model running on your computer. You can click on it, get select it, and you can ask it write a simple HTML code. So as you can see, this also runs without the internet, and this is runs with graphical user interface inside your Chrome, and this is a free extension, and it can be very helpful if you don't have internet access or your internet is very slow. So you can go to library and you can search for other models, and you can ask AI according to your laptop, your computer specifications, which model is the best for you, and AI recommend it for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.